Hello, welcome to Floppy Disk Random's YouTube channel. Today, I will teach you how to transfer data from your Android device to your computer and vice versa. This is applicable with the devices that are on the same network or the computer is connected to the Android phone's hotspot. First, let's go to your Android device and open Play Store. On the search button, type FTP and choose Wi-Fi FTP server. Tap install and wait for it to download. After downloading, tap open. On the app, tap the Start button and tap the gear icon on top right to open settings. Tick the anonymous access and leave Use FTPS unticked. Take note of the server URL. This will be used in setting up the computer. And let's proceed now on your computer. On your computer, open File Explorer and on the left Library tree, click this PC. On a space, right-click, choose Add a Network Location, and Add Network Location will show and click Next. Click Next again to choose a custom network location. On the internet or network address, type in the server URL. Click Next. Tick Login anonymously and click Next. Set up a name of the network location or set default name. Click Next. Click Finish to open network location we created. And here you go. All the folder and files on your Android device can be accessed. You can now transfer files between your Android device and computer without a data cable plugged in. To access again the network location, just look for it on the File Explorer under this PC library. And don't forget to start Wi-Fi FTP server on your Android phone. That's all. Thank you.